My passion in talent management is to sustain my business in the pharmaceutical company to get the best people.
My passion in talent management is first to identify, then to further develop future leaders.
My passion in talent management is to grow and develop our employees and to see their progress and the impact they do in our organization.
My passion in the talent management program or concept is to define the talent in the organization and to spot them and to be able to develop them and to be able to make a difference in the organization.
My passion in talent management is linking people to the jobs that they fit into, trying to show them where their competencies and their potential is in the industry of HR.
My passion about the talent management is helping our organization to find the caliber staff to help us to reach our objectives.
My passion in talent management is to identify the right talent and help them to reach their goals.
My passion in talent management is to identify the qualified people which help us to create a talent pool to ensure the supply of talents for the organization.
My passion about talent management is to support our human capital, where it will enhance and improve our life in society and in economy, and it will help for a better future for our country.
My passion in talent management is to find the right recruitant to develop my organization to better talent acquisitions, until after we recruit them, we develop them inside the organization.
My passion in talent management is falls under developing people, helping people to find the right job for them, helping people to find what are the jobs that they like, what are the jobs that they are good at.
My passion in talent management is identifying the right candidate to the right position and appropriate tools.